Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? No, not at all. No, not at all. I don't have time. I don't have time. Please go now. Please go now. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Oh yes. Oh yes. What does it mean? What does it mean? I'm sure I don't know. I'm sure I don't know. How long are you staying? How long are you staying? I will be here for another hour. I will be here for another hour. I must really go now. I must really go now. It's time to go. It's time to go. Where is he? Where is he? I think he is in the room. I think he is in the room. Would you like to dance with me? Would you like to dance with me? I don't like it. I don't like it. Absolutely not. What's going on? What's going on? I am just reading a book. I am just reading a book. Just watching TV. Just watching TV. Do you want it? Do you want it? No, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. How much is this? How much is this? Near about 100 rupees. Near about 100 rupees. What do you think? What do you think? I don't understand. I don't understand. Is it all right? Is it all right? Are you okay? No, I am feeling feverish. No, I am feeling feverish. Where's the toilet? Where's the toilet? It's near here. It's near here. That's over there. That's over there. He should not go. He should not go. He ought not to go. He ought not to go. You surprise me. You surprise me. We should go to the market. We should go to the market. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, please. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's nothing. It's nothing. Look here. Look here. Come with me. Come with me. It's all over. It's all over. This hasn't been done properly. This hasn't been done properly. I'm crazy about her. I'm crazy about her. He doesn't have time. He doesn't have time. I think so. I think so. I will miss you. I will miss you. It's no trouble at all. It's no trouble at all. That will do. That will do. How delightful it was. How delightful it was. I'm having fun. I'm having fun. It looks like rain. It looks like rain. I have got it. I have got it. Just so. Just so. Stop him. Stop him. I'm wasting my time. I'm wasting my time. I hope not. I hope not. Let me see. Let me see. Too bad. Too bad. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.